So you can see on the screen right here that one of my students was able to make $300 in a single day just using one of my methods. She was completely brand new and just followed one of the strategies I shared. This is just one message I get on a daily basis, and now that you realize what I teach works, in this specific video, I'll reveal some incredibly easy ways to promote Clickbank products and start making $250 a day, even if you're totally new and don't have a following. I understand the idea of making money online can be very enticing, but it can also be overwhelming and frustrating when you don't know where to start. But don't worry, because I'm gonna share with you today the ultimate Clickbank affiliate marketing guide. Now, the very first step is to choose the right products to promote. There's actually a specific criteria you need to keep in mind. But before I dive into this exact information, recently I put together a training program where I share my best affiliate marketing strategies to make daily commissions. Now, I've never shared some of the strategies publicly, so for more information, be sure you click the first link in the description below. So as I said, step number one to the Clickbank strategy is choosing the right products. If you don't make progress with this first step, it will be very hard to make decent money on Clickbank. Now, you might think you're the best affiliate marketer out there, but you'll shed tears if you keep driving traffic to a page that isn't selling well. Now, most people just go to Clickbank and look for any crappy product to sell, but there's a much better approach to this. It's said that 90% of commissions are coming from only 10% of affiliate marketers. Now, you don't have to be part of the 90% losing, so listen up. If you're starting out, the first thing to do would be search for the biggest niches on the platform's affiliate marketplace that drive the largest traffic or clicks. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The three big niches you really want to focus on are health and fitness, e-business and marketing, and self-help. If you do your homework, these three different niches can reap massive rewards. And if you already know the ropes and you just want to get better, be sure to choose products that are relevant and have high gravity score. I want to walk you through how to find the right products to evaluate whether or not they're the best ones to promote. Now, once you've sorted out which niche you want to choose, and again, just choose one of those three if you're starting, you want to screen potential offers or products. Now, during this screening process, we want to take everything into consideration. We want to look at the different metrics. Now, relax, because this one piece may take a little bit of time, but once you do it a few times, it will get faster, and it's truly one of the biggest keys to your success. The first thing you really want to do is once you find one of the niches and you start looking through the products on Clickbank, is you want to find a product that has at least a gravity score of 20 or above. This means that other affiliates within the last week or so were also making sales. If you don't promote something that a lot of other people are making sales with, chances are you will struggle as well. Competition of other affiliate marketers is actually great because it tells you that product is incredibly popular and you can be one of the other people making sales. So again, don't think too hard. Another thing you can do is actually open up the sales page by clicking on the affiliate link inside of Clickbank. Look over the sales page. Think about, would you purchase this product? Does it interest you? And if it's popular with a higher gravity score and it's in one of those three niches, then chances are you can go ahead and promote and start to make commissions with that specific product. Now, step number two is building a high converting landing page. If you really want to succeed as a Clickbank affiliate, it's almost crucial to have a landing page that you send your prospects, which will redirect to the sales page. The reason is that most people will not buy right away. So what we need to do is we need to collect their email address of these specific prospects, and then we can follow up through email marketing and sending different emails to work on converting that lead into a buyer down the line. Now, stay tuned in this video because I'll show you exactly how to create a compelling landing page that captures your leads and persuades them to take action. I can't overemphasize how important this is because maybe 1 out of 100 will buy right away, but if you capture that lead and follow up, you can convert upwards of 70% or so of those people. Now, when structuring an affiliate marketing sales funnel, the first thing to consider is creating a lead generation landing page that offers a freebie. Now, as the name implies, freebies are free. They're valuable digital items that are given to these potential prospects in exchange for their email address. Now, they help solve a problem that your potential customer is dealing with. Now, they can be webinars, cheat sheets, ebooks, anything to get them to give you their email address. Now, when doing this, you'll want your freebie and other details on your landing page to correlate with the product you're trying to sell. Okay, so you have to bridge them. You have to have one lead to the other. Now, if there's too much of a difference, your potential prospect or customer will think you're just messing with them, or they'll actually break the process and they won't continue going down the line to get them to buy. So for example, one thing you can do is if you're in the health and fitness niche and you're selling a product that maybe helps people lose weight, a good freebie that you could give from your landing page in exchange for an email address is you could give away a free PDF guide with the top 5 recipes to lose weight, right? So notice how that's relevant, and by giving away that for free and getting their email address, then you can redirect them on the next page to your sales page. And then if they don't buy right away, you can go ahead and follow through different emails. Now, you can literally find some of these ebooks and different guides to give away for free. You can just type in PLR products into Google, and based on your niche, you can find different things that people have created for you, and you can go ahead and give those away. Now, you don't have to do this from scratch. Like I said, tools like canva.com or ChatGPT can be very helpful in the process of creating your landing page. If you don't know what to say on your specific landing page, you can go to ChatGPT or use AI to come up with a headline and also even the freebie to give away. It will really help you with all of this. Another thing is you can use Canva, as I mentioned. Canva.com, which I'll include a link directly below to create a free account, allows you to create tons of different beautiful photos and templates and different images in a matter of seconds, right? You can go ahead and get some of that from there, and even a cover for your freebie you can get from Canva. Now, another key thing when it comes to creating your landing page is to do something called A/B testing. This is another word for it is split testing. This is where you basically duplicate the landing page and you just create another piece of copy, another headline, right? So you have 2 different headlines, everything else is the same, and then with certain funnel creating software out there, you can automatically have it show one page and then the other, right? And it will show to equal amounts of people both, and then after a series of time you can look at what landing page is working better and then just use that headline. You can get rid of the other one and run with the one that's converting the best, meaning which one is getting the most amount of people to put their email address into that page. Now, if you want a super simple way to create these funnels in minutes, I personally use a software called ClickFunnels. It has all these different templates of landing pages and different things like that. You can literally get access to a trial at the link in the description. I'll include one. And again, you can go ahead and create your first funnel, start to make some income, and then it will completely pay for itself. Having a funnel builder is really crucial, and it's one of the few tools you need as a successful affiliate marketer. Also, I created a video where I show you technically how to create a landing page step by step. I'll include a link right here, this card. You can go ahead and watch that full video after this to see exactly how to create a landing page from scratch. Very, very simple. Now, step number 3 is email marketing with Clickbank. Now, if you're an affiliate marketer and you don't know how to build your list, this is one of the most important and valuable assets you can do. As I mentioned earlier, most people will not buy right away. If you think about yourself, when you see something online like a product, you may have to talk to your spouse, a friend, and then eventually you buy. Most people are the same way. So by capturing these people's email addresses, building a list of these emails, you can now send out promotional messages, valuable information, and things like that down the line to work to convert them over time. Now, in order to do this, we need another tool. Again, these are one of the few tools you actually need. It's an email autoresponder service, which hooks up to your funnel builder. It hooks up to your landing page. So then when someone puts their email address into your capture page or your landing page, it automatically adds them to your email autoresponder sequence. Now, this is simply a sequence of pre-written emails that you've set up that will start going out on autopilot working to convert those leads into buyers. Now, if you don't have an email marketing service just yet, not to worry. I'll include my #1 recommended one in the description below. It's called 𝐿𝐸𝑟𝑒SPONSE. 𝐿𝐸RESPONSE I've personally used for years. It's incredibly powerful and simple, and it's really reasonable. It's only about $30 a month when you get started. And another reason I like 𝐿𝐸RESPONSE specifically, especially if you're in the make money online niche, they're a lot more lax and easygoing when it comes to what you market to your list, and I haven't really had any problems using it for years. So now people have seen your landing page, they put their email address in, it redirects to your Clickbank product that you're promoting. Now what do you do to start to convert? Like I said, you need to actually start sending out emails. Now, some of the products you choose to promote will have email swipes. These are basically pre-written emails the product creator will give you that you can go ahead and set up, again, automatically going out one at a time. Now, since they've downloaded your lead magnet, that freebie, they have some level of interest in what you're selling, right? So in the first email, you want to send them your lead magnet again and tell them a little bit more about the features. Now, another great thing to do would to show 1 or 2 testimonials to get them thinking, right? You can also end your emails with a question. Now, in the second email, you want to provide the answer to your question and let them see how much they're losing by not buying your product. Now, we don't want to be overly negative. We just want to show them the benefits and the amazing things they'll get if they decide to purchase the product. So we can share, again, more testimonials, which you can often find on the sales page. You can also use scarcity, saying that the product is only around for a few more days. You can put pressure on people, and this will allow them to want to buy the product without putting it off. Now, you're probably seeing the full process start to come together. Before I share the powerful last step with you to put this entire process into place, I want to share with you again that I have a new training program where I go much more into detail on different strategies that I've personally been using over the years to hit the top of leaderboards and generate a 6-figure per year income. If you want to discover more information, be sure to click the link directly below and check that out. Now, the final step is scaling your Clickbank affiliate business. Now, to reach $250 a day, we need to actually start scaling what is working and stop doing what's not working. So obviously, you can use any specific traffic strategy to start getting people to go to your sales funnel. I have so many different videos on my channel, as well as the training program I mentioned that gets into exact traffic strategies, free and paid. But setting up your funnel is really, really key. Now, once you start sending consistent clicks to your link, you wanna wait a few days, a few weeks. You wanna start to analyze the data, right? Look at the different emails that you've set up and are sending. In 𝐿𝐸RESPONSE, it's very easy to check your open rate, which is the percent of people that open that email. You can look at your click-through rate, which is the percent of people that click the link inside the email. Maybe some of the emails aren't working that well. Also, maybe the traffic strategy that you're using, you're only getting maybe a few leads a day and you need to tweak, right? So the last main step is to constantly be tweaking, constantly be testing, right? You want to look at the data, analyze like a scientist, and then stop doing what's not working. Again, if a specific traffic strategy isn't working for you, then stop doing it and start doing something else, right? Constantly be tweaking, and then you can really reinvest your results, right? You can take a portion of the money that you're making from your Clickbank commissions and you can reinvest into paid traffic to start to get much more sales. Well, that's a wrap for today. I really hope you enjoyed learning these incredibly powerful strategies when it comes to Clickbank affiliate marketing. If they've helped you, be sure to click the like button. Also subscribe with the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. Also check out in the description, I've included all those links that I've mentioned, such as ClickFunnels, 𝐿𝐸RESPONSE, and then my own training program. Last but not least, if you want to go further into the different traffic strategies to send to your funnel and have those emails start going out, you can click here, which will take you to my playlist of much more training. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.